This is a video on just how to change your drive dog. Very simple, quick. We're going to start by removing the cover plate here. Just loosen the screw up here. Remove the plate. Now you get inside your taper. Just push your plunger down to the bottom so your cable's all the way down. You're going to loosen this screw again. There's two screws in here. You need to get this one, not the one that holds the cable. So loosen this one. Pull your drive dog out. It's usually a little easier to go ahead and take your push rod out too while you're at it. You'll notice that the drive dog has a little notch here for your screw to rest on. So you need to make sure that that lines up with the screw here. And just tighten your screw back down. And insert your push rod back in. And wind your cable back up. And your drive dog has been changed.